Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite an admin to ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and invite an admin to your ClickUp workspace. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, let's log on to ClickUp. Then on the upper right hand corner, click on your profile icon. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click on settings. Now, once you click on settings, go ahead and click on people on the left hand side and then click on invite people. Now, this is where you can invite people via their email. And then over here is you're going to give them the access role. So you could actually click on admin and then invite their email here so that they can manage spaces, people, billing, and other workspace settings. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite an admin to ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.